Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of art therapy and its profound impact on emotional expression and healing. Art therapy is a form of psychotherapy that utilizes creative processes to improve mental health and well-being. It's a powerful tool for individuals to explore and express their emotions in a safe and non-verbal way. Join us as we uncover the transformative potential of art therapy in facilitating emotional healing and growth. Art has long been recognized as a means of communication, and its connection to emotions runs deep. Whether it's through painting, drawing, sculpting, or other artistic mediums, individuals can externalize their innermost thoughts and feelings. Art therapy harnesses this innate connection, providing a therapeutic space for individuals to explore and process their emotions. Through guided exercises and creative techniques, individuals can tap into their subconscious and gain insight into their emotional landscape. One of the key aspects of art therapy is its ability to transcend language barriers. For those who struggle to verbalize their emotions, art provides a powerful alternative for expression. Whether it's the use of colors, shapes, or textures, each artistic element carries meaning and significance. This allows individuals to convey complex emotions that may be difficult to articulate verbally. Art therapy also offers a unique blend of structure and flexibility. While there are various techniques and approaches used in art therapy sessions, each experience is tailored to the individual's needs and preferences. Whether it's through free-form expression or structured exercises, individuals have the freedom to explore and create in a way that feels authentic to them. Studies have shown that engaging in art therapy can lead to significant improvements in emotional well-being. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing self-awareness and self-esteem, the benefits are vast and far-reaching. By providing a creative outlet for emotional expression, art therapy empowers individuals to navigate life's challenges with resilience and strength. In conclusion, art therapy offers a powerful pathway to emotional healing and growth. By tapping into the creative process, individuals can explore their emotions, gain insight, and ultimately find healing. Whether you're struggling with mental health issues or simply looking for a creative outlet, art therapy has something to offer everyone. We encourage you to explore the transformative potential of art therapy and discover the profound impact it can have on your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on mental health and well-being. And be sure to check out our playlist for additional resources and inspiration. Until next time, take care and keep creating.